Hello, my name is Yuan, founder and CEO of Daily Surprises Media, a lead generation agency for coaches and service providers that has generated over 100 client wins just last year alone. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how do you create custom GIFs for Instagram stories for free and on demand. So if you're interested in actually creating GIFs that looks really on brand and you can use it for your Instagram stories, then keep watching. There are going to be two parts in this video. So the first part of this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step how you actually create a GIF that looks on brand for free on demand by leveraging free tools like Canva as well as Giftmaker. Don't worry, I'm going to show you my screen. I'm going to leave all the free resources in the description box below as well. And then the second part of this video, I'm going to show you once you actually create your GIF that looks on brand, looks beautiful, how do you then make it accessible from Instagram stories? What are the steps you need to go through? So I'm going to flip my camera around now to show you my screen, and we're going to go through a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, now you can see my screen now. I'm going to show you how do I actually create a brand GIF. So what you want to do is you want to go to Canva first, and you can choose any element that looks really good for you. So right now I'm going to use an example like a heart, and I'm going to make it my brand color. So I actually have a little on brand kind of GIF, like one of the pictures I already have below, so you can pick up my brand color really quickly. But here's an example. So I'm gonna basically have this on brand blue, and I can say hello. And as an example, I'm not going to tweak into my brand font, all of that, but I want to show you that how do I actually get it on brand. And so this is going to be the picture number one of my GIF. So what GIF really does is to combine two different pictures into kind of a moving image. So I want to making sure that it's almost like we want to making sure that this is going to be the first frame of the picture. You want to see what the next frame is. So for me, I really want the heart to kind of like go bigger, small, and shift a little bit. And then the heart color also change. So I'm going to make it this heart yellow, and I'm going to make the writing back to my brand blue. And then I'm going to kind of make it a little bit bigger, make the font a little bit bigger as well. So, and kind of move the location of the font, just a location of the writing a little bit, so that I have two kind of on brand pictures already, which I'm going to merge into a GIF. So if you have a Canva Pro, which I don't have here right now as an example, because I want to show you can actually do this completely for free without even paying for Canva subscription. But if you do have Canva Pro, the most amazing thing you can do is to tick here where you can get transparent background, because for GIF, you don't really want like a gigantic white background at the back. You want to be transparent. But if you don't have a if you don't have a Canva Pro right now, then what you want to do is to download it and remove the background. I'm going to show you that in a second, but what we really want to do is to download these two pages, basically the two heart that we just created on the screen with the writing. Now, the next thing we want to do is to go to remove.bg. So that's basically a website that's for free as well, allow you to remove background for free. And you can see here, I already kind of get rid of unzipped this file. So this is what it looks like now. We have these two images. This is number one, and then this is number two. So we're going to upload the image. So go to the folder and then drag those images in, or you can click the upload image button as well. So I'm going to do the first one, and you can see now the background become transparent. I'm going to download it. The same thing, I'm going to find the image number two, and I'm going to remove the background. As you can see, straight away remove it as well. I'm going to download it as well. So the next bit you want to do is go to this website called giftmaker.me, and you want to click upload images. You will just open up your folder, go to where your items are, and then you're just going to upload both images there, 1 and 2. So you can see that now this is almost like a preview of what the GIF looks like. It's beautiful, right? It kind of on brand, and it becomes this moving image rather than previously just static. So you want to do create GIF animation. And once you click that, you will be able to see that underneath these new bits are popping up. So you can view the GIF or download the GIF. So the next step you want to do is to download this GIF. And then you have a beautiful GIF already that's ready to be uploaded. Now you have a beautiful GIF we already created with just purely free tools. How do you then making sure that you can access from Instagram? So the place you really need to upload your GIF is to Giffy.com. Obviously, this is my handle, which is the same as my Instagram as well. But you want to create an account in Giffy, and then you want to upload your newly created GIF in your folder. This is the one I just created. So that's ready to be uploaded, and you can add tags. I would always recommend you tag your own brand name as well. So that's what will come up in Instagram search. What I mean by that, let me just share with you a screen recording that I've done. So you can see right now, this is the screen recording. Let me just hit play, and you can see that once I type in daily surprises media within the Instagram stories, all of these GIFs pop up. These are exact GIFs that, let me just go back one step here, and you can see these are all the GIFs already uploaded here in my dashboard, and all of these are actually already accessible on Instagram. So that's what you want to do. You want to upload here, but just uploading here is actually not enough. In order for your GIF to show up on Instagram, you need to making sure that you have either, I think it's called brand channel or an artist channel on Giffy. So I will switch to another tab now to show you what that means exactly. Okay, so this is the page I want to share with you. So all you need to do is to submit an application. It's all free, and it's actually really, really fast. So I can't, when I click here now, it's actually not going to open up because I already have a verified channel. But I'm going to put this link in the description box below so you can click it directly. When you click the form, it just asks you a lot of information about, you know, what's your social channel, what is your business about, what's your website, stuff like that. And it's very easy to get approved. And I'm going to show you, this is my email inbox when I apply for Giffy on 4th of February, and actually get approved literally a day after. And I think within 1 or 2 days, I actually get my GIF show up on the Instagram story already. So everything is a really straightforward process. I'm going to link all of the resources below, all of the free tools you can create a GIF, as well as the link to apply for a brand GIF channel and Giffy channel so that you can actually access your GIF on Instagram as well. If you have any questions, just put them in the comment box below. Now, at this point of the video, you've learned number 1, how do you actually create GIF for free on demand, and that looks actually on brand. Number 2, you also learn how to actually upload it to the right place and how to making sure you can actually access that from Instagram so you can use your own GIF on Instagram stories. While you're waiting for next week's videos, I share all things how to leverage Instagram for business to get clients on demand. Check out the video on the screen right now, which is the 4-step framework that my client use and I use on Instagram every single day to get clients on demand. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.